Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is my oven. It's a Logik LB Fan B16. You can see it down there. It could use a clean, but that's how I live. And in here, if I turn this on to this, the light should come on, and it's obvious that it isn't coming on, but I can actually feel the fan blowing there right now. So, remove that shelf. So if I get in here, this should just twist out. Oh. Pop. That's just a little glass cup, and then this hopefully is not screwed. Okay, simple enough. It's actually really simple. So I need a little light like this, a little bulb. So I'll see if I have one, because I think I might. And yeah, it looks like that filament inside has fallen apart. So as it happens, I have a spare, which is what you need in these situations. Let's put that in. Until it's tight. And then let's turn this on. And that's it. Turn it off again. I'll replace this little glass lid. It's a twist and lock, so you push it in and then just twist it. Would that be a quarter of a turn? And that's it in. And that's it on. And there we go. Logik oven in this case, but other ones I think you might have two little screws to take out either side of the bulb or something like that to release a plate. As it is, that's a very easy repair. Questions or comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. See you later.